What is the largest planet in our solar system?
Answer is C, Jupiter.
Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer is B, Mars. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Is C, carbon dioxide. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Answer is B, leaf. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Answer is B, Venus. How many bones are in the adult human body? Answer is A, 206. What organ pumps blood throughout the body? Answer is C, heart. Which planet has the most moons? Answer is A, Saturn. What movie won Best Picture at the 1994 Academy Awards? Answer is A, Forrest Gump. Who played Jack in Titanic? Answer is B, Leonardo DiCaprio. Which TV show features a chemistry teacher turned drug dealer? Answer is C, Breaking Bad. What is the highest grossing movie of all time, as of 2025? Answer is A, Avatar. Who directed Inception? B, Christopher Nolan. What is the name of the coffee shop in Friends? Answer is Central Perk. Who voices Woody in Toy Story? Answer is B, Tom Hanks. Which movie features the quote, "Why so serious"? Answer is C, The Dark Knight. Which country have smartest people? Answer is Japan. Which country has the largest population? Answer is China. Which country is known for its maple syrup? Answer is Canada. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? Answer is France. Which country is home to the Amazon rainforest? Answer is Brazil. Which country invented pizza? Answer is Italy. Which country is known for producing the most coffee? Answer is Brazil. Which country is famous for its tulips? Answer is Netherlands. What is Thomas Edison famous for inventing? Answer: B. Light bulb. What is Alexander Graham Bell known for? Answer: C. Telephone. What is Nikola Tesla best known for? B. Alternating current. What is the invention of Johannes Gutenberg? B. Printing press. What did the Wright brothers invent? Answer: C. Airplane. What is James Watt known for? Steam engine improvements. What did Eli Whitney invent? B. Cotton gin. What did Guglielmo Marconi invent? C. Radio.